Hi everyone, Vanita here. Welcome to Vanita Style Book. You are watching Weather Series Season 1, Episode 5. A quick recap of the last episode. It is about weather station, weather instruments, additional instruments, and personal weather station. In this episode, the first is home weather station. Home weather station includes hygrometers, pyranometers, thermometers, barographs, and barometers. Commonly wall mounted and manufactured by Airguide, Taylor, Springfield, Sputnik, and Stormoguide. Next is weather ships. Weather ship is a ship stationed in the ocean as a platform for the surface and upper level meteorological measurements, which is used for weather forecast. It is helpful in search and rescue operations and also to support transatlantic flights. The International Civil Aviation Organization (ICAO) established a global network of 13 weather ships. Of the 12 left in operation in 1996, 9 were located in the Northern Atlantic Ocean, where 3 were located in the Northern Pacific Ocean. The agreement of the weather ships ended in 1996. Weather ship observations are helpful in wind and wave studies. They are including the weather systems like merchant ships, which are considered to be valuable resource. Weather observations from ships continue from thousands of voluntary merchant vessels in routine commercial operation. The Old Weather Crowdsourcing Project transcribes the naval logs from before the era of dedicated ships. The next is weather buoys. Weather buoys are instruments which collect weather and oceanography data within the world's oceans and the lakes. More buoys have been used since 1951, while the drifting buoys have been used since the late 1970s. Moored buoys are connected with seabed using either chains, nylon, or buoyant polypropylene. Drifting buoys are many in numbers. There are 1,250 drifting buoys located worldwide. Wind measurements from the drifting buoys has smaller error than that from ships. There are differences in the values of the sea surface temperatures between these platforms relating to the depth of the measurements and whether or not the water is heated by the ship, which measures the quantity. Why is this instrument called a drifter? These instruments sit at the surface of the ocean and are transported via near surface ocean currents. They are not fixed to the bottom of the ocean and therefore they drift with the currents. Hence they are called drifters or drifting buoys. How do drifters work? The surface float contains sensors which measure specific parameters such as sea surface temperature, barometric pressure, salinity, and wave height. Data collected from these sensors are transmitted to satellites, which are then transferred to land-based data centers. Drifters measure sea surface temperature and location. Location are used to measure ocean current velocities. Additional sensors can be added such as barometric pressure, salinity, wave height, wind speed, direction, and optical sensors. The next is synoptic weather station. Synoptic weather stations are instruments which collect meteorological information at synoptic time and at intermediate synoptic hours. Common instruments of measure are anemometer, wind vane, pressure sensor, thermometer, hygrometer, and rain gauge. Weather measures are formatted in the special format which then be used for weather forecast model. The next is networks. A wide variety of land-based weather station networks have been set up globally. Some of them are used for analyzing the weather fronts and pressure systems such as synoptic observation network, while others are more regional in nature such as mesonets. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this episode, subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next episode.